Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Kinetic by Windstream. Kinetic by Windstream provides internet service across rural and suburban communities, boasting a significant footprint in over 18 states. Renowned for its varied internet packages, Kinetic caters to a diverse clientele, including families, small businesses, and those working remotely who require dependable, speedy, and budget-friendly internet, particularly in regions where fiber optic infrastructure is limited. A key advantage of Kinetic by Windstream lies in its offering of both fiber optic and DSL internet options, positioning it as a flexible provider adaptable to users in various locations. Customers fortunate enough to have access to Kinetic's fiber optic service can experience speeds up to a blazing fast 1 gigabit per second, delivering an ultra-fast and consistently reliable connection. In areas where DSL is the primary offering, speeds generally range from 25 to 100 megabits per second, which remains perfectly adequate for everyday online activities like web browsing, streaming movies and shows, and video conferencing. Kinetic's pricing model is competitive, featuring straightforward plans with no data caps, allowing for unrestricted internet usage without the concern of overage charges. While the fiber optic service generally delivers higher speeds and reduced latency, Kinetic's DSL plans offer a robust online experience for users who don't require the absolute highest speeds. Furthermore, Kinetic frequently offers bundled packages, combining internet, home phone, and television services for increased savings. Customer support is another area where Kinetic by Windstream excels, providing 24/7 assistance via phone, online chat, and email. Their website also features a comprehensive library of helpful resources for troubleshooting issues and managing your account. In summary, Kinetic by Windstream represents a reliable internet provider for those in rural or underserved communities requiring dependable internet service at reasonable prices. Whether you opt for fiber or DSL, Kinetic offers a variety of plans to suit diverse requirements. Click the links in the description for more details or to sign up for service.